Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about voice emotion detection using HuBERT deep learning model. So it is the automation detections of the emotion from the voices. So whenever the person is talking, so based on their voice, it's going to predict the emotions, whether they are happy, sad, or neutral like that. So in this for the audio feature extraction, we are using MFCC, which is nothing like male frequency capsular coefficient. So it will analyze the pitches and the energy and the spectrals of the human voices. So this project is going to work on both like backend as well as the web-based emotion detection systems. And this is the block diagram. So block diagram, which is nothing like first microphone and audio appreciations. After that, we need to pre-process. After pre-processing, we need to extract the audio. Like as I told before, like MFCC and its pitch energy like that, feature extraction will be done. So based on this, it's going to make the classification like whether the voice is sad, happy, like that. And finally, we are predicting the emotions and we are displaying it. So this is the block diagram of our project. This is the entire folder of our project. So inside the models, inside about emotions, we have the models. So like where we have about large support and configurations and pre-process configuration.json. And finally, we have the PyTorch model.py. So this is our model, and then you can say that app.py, this is the main file of our projects. So here Flask we are using for the framework, so which is nothing. This is the framework of the Python, and it helps to integrate the front end and the back end, and we are creating the website. So here you can see that we are using SQL library for the database. So in database we have ID, name, mail, phone number, passwords like that. So finally we are loading our Abba emotions model here, and here you can see that about emotions, and then here we are making the prediction by using this function. So for an example, we have if it is happy, so it gives us the confidence. If it is neutral, it gives us the neutral. If it is angry, it gives us the angry, sad, and fear means fear, discussion, surprise. So based on some classification, based on the voice, it going to detect it. So let me right now show you how the web page is working on it. And this is the website of our project. Here you can see that voice emotion AI, and here we have voice input, and AI will be analysis, and the emotion will be inside, like it will detect it. Then we are displaying it. So if I click the start voice detection button, so it goes for the login or register if the user is not logged in. So if they log in, directly it goes for that page. Here it asking for the login. So here we need to log in. If you don't have account, we need to create by using this. So once it is created, the register successful. Now we need to log in by using the registered details. So once if it is registered, so it comes for the voice emotion main pages. So here you can click the start button and we can start talking. And then based on that, it's going to predict the emotion as well as the confidence. So as before going to this page, we'll go for the about pages. So in about pages, you can see that what are the things we have used here. For the technology, we have used Python, PyTorch, about model, and we have to vector sound device. Tick interview is nothing like backend GUI we have created as well as we are keeping it. And then, so this is the real-time voice capture. And by using the HuBERT and we have to vector, so this base neutral, like it trains our emotion from the speech. Then this as well as this work for the online as well as offline, and confidence scores also will get displayed. So finally we'll go for our pages. So if I start talking here, so based on the voice, it's going to detect it. Hi, myself Chandru. I am from Dharmaburi. I have completed my schoolings. So after clicking the stop button, so here it will display the emotions as well as confidence score. So here you can see that the emotion is neutral and confidence score is gives us the 42.02%. So why the emotion was detected? So how the emotion is detected? You can say that balanced pitch without strong variation, normal speaking speed, stable consistency voice, and Based on what it's going to predict the neutral, just here we are displaying it. I will test one more thing. Hi, hello. My name is Chandru. I am from Dharmaburi. So I was studied in. So here you can see that the emotion is giving as the sad. So the confidence score 85%. So sad. So here it is showing low pitch and repeated vocal energy, slow speaking rate, flat, monotonic voice tone. So here based on my voice is detecting as the sad. So I have spoken now as low tone. So here it is detecting as the sad. And we'll check with the last one time. Hello everyone. Today we are discussing the voice emotion AI. So based on the voice, so here you can see that confidence score is giving us the 53, confident. So the emotion is the confident and the confidence score is giving us the 53. So before it's shown as the neutral and sad, confident. So like this, based on the voice, it's going to detect our emotions. So this is the complete details of our project. Hope you like these projects. Thank you all. We'll meet with one more good projects in the next section.